everyone, this is Sumita. Welcome to English Tutorial Edu. Today we shall be building our vocabulary by learning the difference between the words insidious and invidious. First, let us see the meanings. Insidious means to spread something undesirable in a stealthy manner. Insidious is silent, hidden and gradual. So if something spreads silently, it is insidious. Invidious, on the other hand, means something offensive, something that invites animosity. So if you get angry at something, it is invidious. Invidious is not hidden but hateful right away. Let us frame some sentences to learn their usage. Insidious, he was unaware of his disease because it was insidious. He only got the symptoms at an advanced stage. It sometimes happens with cancer, which spreads silently. The politician insidiously gained power through calculated moves and became an autocrat. As we see, there are some leaders across the world nowadays who are becoming autocrat in a similar manner. Let us frame some sentences with invidious. In olden days, when people led simple lives, it would invite invidious reactions if anybody flaunted their wealth. So it was not a good thing to flaunt wealth in the olden time. It would have evoked invidious reactions if the management thanked only a few employees, as everyone had worked hard to complete the project before the deadline. So others would have been offended if the management picked a few people and thanked them. So I do hope you learnt the meaning of these two words and will be using them in your day-to-day conversation. Okay, so if you did so, please subscribe to my channel, like it and share. Thanks for watching.